Hello my dear students, get ready for today's science class. Students, here is a picture of animals. Now tell me, why do animals need to move? Yes, they need to move in search of food. Students, as you know, we are doing block 7, movement in animals, and today we will understand why animals move. Now students, please open your worksheet S4 of block 7 and look at the pictures of animals carefully. Now tell me, what are these animals doing? Yes, a kingfisher is diving into the water. The kingfisher is trying to catch fish to eat. Clear, students? Next one is the big fish is catching the small fish. The big fish eats the small fish. Third one is eagle. The eagle is trying to catch the small bird and the eagle eats the small bird. So these animals are moving to catch their food. Clear, students? Now students, tell me, why do animals need to run fast? Yes. Now we will discuss some important facts about this lesson. A cheetah need to run fast because cheetah hunt deer, and so it needs to run fast to able to catch deer. And a deer need to run fast to escape from animals like cheetah and lions that hunt them. Clear, students? So these in two of them, one animal is running fast to catch its food and second animal is running fast to escape from the animal. Next one is monkeys and squirrels climb trees to eat fruits. Jumping help a frog to escape from being eaten by a snake. So students, animals need to move to get food to eat and also need to move to escape from other animals that eat them. So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. Question is, some birds come in large numbers to some parts of India in the winter from countries like Russia. Why do these birds move to India from Russia? Let's discuss the answer. The weather in Russia gets very cold in the winter and these birds fly to India as it is warmer here. This large movement of birds and animals is called migration. So जब भी birds एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाते हैं, that is called migration. Clear, students? Now students, please open your content book of science. Lesson number 4, reasons to move. Let's start reading. Animals move for a variety of reasons, such as to find food, to stay safe, or to have young ones. For many animals, the ability to move is essential for their survival. For example, cheetahs need to chase after deer to get food. Deer have to run away from the cheetahs to save themselves. Clear, students? Some animals travel short distances to find food or more favorable living or breeding conditions. For example, some types of frogs travel short distance to breeding ponds and lakes to lay their eggs. Clear, students? तो ये अपने eggs के लिए short distance को cover करते हैं. Many animals such as the Arctic tern and the Minarch move long distances at certain times of the year. This movement is called migration. For example, some types of geese fly south for the winter to avoid the cold seasons. साउथ में इतनी विंटर सीजन में इतनी कोल्ड नहीं होती है ना, नॉर्थ साइड में ज़्यादा होती है. क्लियर, स्टूडेंट्स? आई होप लेसन इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द कीवर्ड्स. फर्स्ट वन इज कैच, food, escape, hunt and migration. So you have to write these keywords in your notebook. Now students, please open your worksheet S4. First one is, look at each picture and answer the questions. First one is what is the bird doing? So what is kingfisher doing? What is the bird doing? Kingfisher is try to catch small fishes because kingfisher eat fishes. Next one is what is the big fish doing? Big fish is trying to catch the small fish because big fish eat small fish. Next one is eagle. Why is the eagle diving into the water? Eagle is diving into the water to catch the small bird. Clear, students? So you have to complete this question. Second question is why does a rabbit move? A rabbit move to eat its foods, to search its foods in search of his food and to try to escape from enemies. Third one is the large herds of elephants can sometimes be seen moving in the summer, covering large distances. Why do they do so? Yes, they do so to find their foods and to escape from enemies. और वेदर कंडीशंस भी होती हैं, सो ये वेदर कंडीशंस के लिए भी ऐसे करते हैं, माइग्रेशन करते हैं ये एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे. So this is your worksheet S4. You have to complete it. Now students, you have to do practice question number 7. Why do cheetahs run after deer? To catch deer and to eat them because deer are the foods of cheetahs. Next one is question number 8. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a flying fish. How does it move? It moves with the help of its wings. So ये जो flying fish है ये उड़ भी सकती है, दूसरी फिशेज उड़ नहीं सकती, ये एयर में भी रह सकती हैं, दूसरी फिशेज एयर में नहीं रह सकती ज़्यादा देर तक, बट ये ज़्यादा टाइम तक नहीं रह सकती. जैसे बर्ड्स एयर में ज़्यादा टाइम तक रहती हैं, ये नहीं रह सकती ऐसे. सो दे यूज़ देयर विंग्स टू मूव. Clear, students? How does it move? It also fly. So you have to do practice question number 7 and 8. Thank you everyone for watching this video.